Hello YouTube, Rickadil here for another exciting video on my cube collection. This is another part of a series of 20. So first thing we go, let's do this. We have a Rubik's UFO. A Soma cube. Not really a twisty puzzle, but I like this. Had it for a while. A Green Bay Packers Rubik's Cube, still sealed. An Axis Cube, one of the ones I bought a long time ago. I bought a case of these a long time ago. I still have like 30, 40 of them. A Pepsi slide puzzle can, also still in its package. A Rubik Sudoku, still unused. A Conundrum, this one is Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, also unused. Have a calendar. Cube, an Arxon. It says 1980, still sealed. A K-Ball. This one's also still in its original sealed package. Another Pepsi slide puzzle. No, I do not like Pepsi. I can't stand Pepsi. I like Coca-Cola, but hey, it is what it is. It's a puzzle, so of course I'm gonna collect it. A tiny barrel, octagonal barrel puzzle. Medium size octagonal barrel puzzle, mid-size, and then regular size. Got a couple of the 3x3 apples. An older version of a slide puzzle, like a Whippet. 3, 4, 5, 6 squares in each column, 6 columns, made by Tip Top Toys, 1981. So I have the instructions on the bottom. Candy Heart Cube. It says, "Kiss me." Diamond puzzle. I just got that one in a few days ago. And what they call a kibble puzzle. Kibble cube, I guess. You turn it into a cube. It's like one of those snake puzzles, I believe. Haven't opened it. Gordian's knot. A Nintendo 10 billion barrel. See, it's Nintendo. You can see the end here. You can see focus, maybe. Anyway, just see Nintendo at the top. You can see it right there. 1980 by Nintendo. Alexander Star. Broken piece. It must have fallen off in my shelf. Anyway, I have like 6 or 7 of these. But they're not broken though. A clock in the shape of a Rubik's Cube. A couple of match links. Link puzzlers. The missing link. all these little ones that they made. Breath cube. Turns, yes it does turn like a regular cube. Hard to solve. There you go. I forget what this one's called. Like Calvin's Puzzles. Kind of like a put together cube. Apple. One of those three-dimensional puzzles. A little tougher than I thought it was going to be. And a ball puzzle. Magic ball. Hungarian design. Still sealed. Oh. And as a treat, I am going to give this little guy away. Is a little wonderful puzzler necklace. I think it's about 1 inch in diameter, I think, if I remember right. Anyway, just leave a message, and in about 2 weeks maybe I'll go ahead and pick one of those names from the message they left, and I will ask you for your address so I can send it to you if you are the winner. So, good luck guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, have a wonderful day.